Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. Just as I was getting ready to do this video, I heard my dog crying in the other room. And I immediately had to go take care of that, because otherwise you'd hear him crying in the video. Isn't that the way of it? Oftentimes when we're leading, the one who gets the most attention is the one that makes the most noise, the squeaky wheel. It's the same with speaking. We often pay the most attention to the audience member who's asking the most questions, or perhaps presenting the most problems. Of course we're going to do that. But think about it. What about that person who's just every day, day in and day out, doing their work? Or the audience members who are really just paying attention, wanting to hear what you have to say? We have to take care of them as well. We have to proactively think about what their needs are and make sure that we're including them. That's our job. So next time you find yourself paying a lot of attention to the squeaky wheel, think about the rest of your audience. Think about the rest of your team and make sure you're meeting their needs as well. Remember, all the world's a stage and all the men and women players, so make sure your play is authentically yours. See you next time.